Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today we're stepping into a world so refined, so exclusive, that it doesn't even feel like a car. It feels like power wrapped in elegance. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Maybach, and it's more than a luxury vehicle. It's a statement on wheels. Buckle up, because we're about to find out why billionaires are lining up for this rolling masterpiece. First impressions? Absolute perfection. The Maybach greets you with a silent, commanding presence and a front grille that looks like it was sculpted by royalty. Massive 22-inch chrome wheels, and a paint finish so flawless, it mirrors the lifestyle of its owner. But it's once you step inside that things go from impressive to surreal. The cabin of the 2026 Maybach is a sanctuary. Every surface is wrapped in ultra-soft Nappa leather. The dashboard blends white matte with brushed metal in a way that feels futuristic but still warm. You're surrounded by ambient lighting that shifts with your mood, a panoramic roof that gives you the stars, and rear seats that outclass first-class airline suites, with reclining massage loungers, a mini fridge between you, and champagne flutes secured in crystal holders. This isn't commuting, it's luxury therapy. Mercedes has equipped this Maybach with their most advanced tech ever. Dual 12.8-inch OLED displays in the front, tablet control for rear passengers, and AI-based voice commands that actually understand what you want. And yes, the Burmester 4D surround sound system delivers music with such depth, it feels like a private concert. Under the hood, the 2026 Maybach doesn't just whisper elegance, it roars with power. A 6.0-liter, twin-turbocharged V12 engine delivers a buttery smooth ride with more than 620 horsepower. You feel nothing, and no bumps, no vibrations, just silent, unstoppable motion. It glides, not drives. It's the kind of engineering only a brand like Mercedes-Maybach can deliver. But beyond the specs, the Maybach is about status. When you arrive in a Maybach, doors are opened for you, and literally and metaphorically. It's the car for billionaires, world leaders, and icons. Every detail has been crafted not just for comfort, but to communicate wealth without shouting. Even the air inside the Maybach is curated. With a new aromatic fragrance system, you can choose personalized scents developed exclusively for Maybach owners. It's not just about how it looks or how it drives, it's how it makes you feel. So why are billionaires lining up for the 2026 Maybach? Because it's not just transportation, it's an identity. It's understated confidence. It's unmatched privacy. It's everything luxury should be and more. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer. If you dream of riding in pure royalty, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach is your throne. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more machines that move the world.